Go put that.
She didn't want to be looking like a mess on the camera.
Don't want to look like a mess on camera. Maybe you should comb your hair.
She's gonna cry now. You just exposed her on the internet.
Oh, it is recording.
She doesn't care.
Oh my God.
You've never cared about your hair. Why do you care now? Stop the man pose.
Dang, brother, call
You
me
have
out like
no
that on
hair
camera.
put behind the ears, my guy.
Does this thing taste like
I'm not
mint
your
soup?
guy. Yes, it's peppermint. I'm a girl. And you see the hair growth.
You could use it as a stirrer for your
But
That's what this is for.
Yeah, but you could use that one too.
You're giving me so many different spoons to use. Which one do I choose?
Can I
Well,
get my
you know, as soon
chocolate
as you
spoon?
put hot,
Who
as soon as
cares,
you put that
Judah?
in there, it's gonna melt.
It's simple stir.
He's
Yes,
eating
mommy.
the chocolate.
Donut? Oh wow,
You
it's
ate
almost
the
like you're
chocolate.
supposed to eat the chocolate.
You're supposed to save that,
He
Judah.
wants to eat.
Judah's eating his spoon.
Wow, man. That's real savage. He's eating the plastic.
I don't eat the plastic.
How you gonna eat plastic like that, bro? That's crazy.
You
Look at him. He's gonna choke on that plastic, guys.
Chomping.
I
God.
thought he ate the stir. I'm about to be like.
No, he ate the spoon, dude.
I thought he ate the stir. I'm about to be like. Oh, that's nice, man.
Give y'all your little pack of sugar.
Yay!
Pack of
So I put
poker
it in
sugar.
now or later?
Put it in there. Your cream,
Your coffee. Children coffee.
your children coffee.
Yes, put it in your I don't know how to feel about that. Let's use our nicknames. I'm Miss
No, I
Kitty.
don't-
This
I
is
don't-
Mr.
I don't-
We're not doing that
I've
on
changed
the
my-
freaking internet.
Whoa,
I am a
did you
nugget.
listen to that? He's gonna get you demonetized.
Yes.
What?
He
Yeah, look, he's.
He said a not so Christian word at the table.
Oh my, he's gonna get you demonetized.
I can't get heretic.
How can I
learn
be
it out.
demonetized?
She doesn't get money from this
You're
at
a
all.
freak.
Inappropriate.
Because, like, honestly,
bro.
honestly, you
Yo,
can say anything.
shut up.
My
You
stuff is fine because I don't make it for kids.
Those kids are obviously.
Kids are
Kids are-
As do I. I make mine for teenagers.
I guess I'm not a
It's
kid.
the big boy club.
My content is not made for children, so they can't restrict who sees it.
This
So
sugar looks like cocaine.
I don't have to have special stuff.
I'm a sus.
Judah, how do you know what cocaine looks like?
Hey guys.
Well, because
Actually, that sounds really
Yeah,
dumb.
you sound dumb. Judah, why would you bring up cocaine?
Yeah, that's exactly what you heard.
Not even that. It's just so random. All so random.
Don't make me have to eat.
Judah, son,
Judah, with the humor like that, I don't think you're gonna get anywhere in life. Ew.
I'm gonna die. Your children are gonna kill
Hey,
me.
hey, could somebody give me a nappy kidney?
That one.
I can't reach in the nappy kidney. Don't use your stirrer. It melts.
Wait, your stir melts?
Yes, it's plastic.
Oh,
I'm scared of
makes
water. Ah!
You stir
You should have seen me making noodles.
What
I'm
happened?
so scared to use that thing.
I flinged a little bit of hot water on my arm.
You guys, y'all gotta be smart like me and use this stirrer.
Be smart like
And I'll just drop the spoon
Don't
in there.
stir it at all.
all.
Exactly.
Be more like Neo. Don't do anything.
Be more like me.
Not like that's ever affected a war or anything. You know?
Bro. Who are you? Who are you? And why are you in this house? Look at that.
Hey,
Chocolate.
tastes so good.
I have to stir it all the way at the bottom. December, November.
Remember.
Judah,
It's November, then December, and you make me mess up my ABC. I mean my months of the year. It's not funny.
Months of the year.
Oh no, I thought.
Why is there more plastic on this?
Months of no, it's not months of the year. It's months
It's
of the week.
mental months.
Are you an idiot?
Months of the week. My
Months of the
favorite.
week.
My favorite month of the week.
Wednesday.
Friday is my
month of the
favorite.
week.
My
Wednesday.
favorite minute of the day. Of the week.
What's your favorite?
My
day?
favorite minute of the week. 24 hour. Is
Please
my
pass
favorite
me
day.
the chocolate chips.
Chocolate.
Chocolate
Yeah, sure.
Take it.
Judah, I love you, but stop.
Now we put these on top of the whipped cream.
Oh, I burned my tongue and I hate it. Thanks.
I love you.
Thanks,
too.
I hate it.
Why is it
That's all I
popping?
Pass me.
Pass it on.
I am. It's just.
No.
Are there
You're
one?
popping.
That one. Judah.
Put it on your napkin, sir.
And what do you
Just
mean?
make
I hear popping your.
I didn't even drop that much.
You want some of this?
Yes.
Such a weirdo.
I didn't even drop that much.
Why
on
would
it.
you
You're overreacting, mother.
not just talking to mom like that? Mom, you just don't let him talk to you like that?
You want some of this?
Please
Yes,
kill him.
yes.
Actually, don't.
I don't think I said
How do
anything
you even
rude.
do anything?
Mom, did I say something rude to you?
Yes, sir. You just said something
Yes.
rude to her.
What did I say?
Did I say something rude?
I gotta do mental gymnastics with you people.
Jada.
You
want
people,
some?
I have to get your chocolate chip.
you people have a
I'm not
freaky.
stealing.
Judah. Did you pass the chocolate chips to Jada?
Yeah, meanie.
I passed. I passed him
This
to
is why I don't
Mia
love
because
you.
Mia needed him, and Jada was doing something. I can't remember what, but she was doing something.
Something
Oh,
important.
marshmallows. Yeah, marshmallows. That's what she was doing.
Something witty.
Pick it up.
Tawan, how?
Yes.
Well, I didn't cause this end of the world event right now.
End of the world.
Stop passing me things. I have to open my stir.
Well, you're the
Yes,
last one.
Can I get them?
You get everything.
You want some of these?
Yeah. No! I don't have. That's so
You need a napkin.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna actually need a napkin here. Pass me a
Yeah,
napkin.
you're-
Here,
It's like a
anyone?
bug just crawling across my neck. Oh, it's a hair piece for
Not
you.
start reaching over my yummy, delicioso drink. Hey, not you turning me white!
Yo, why? Why you like it?
Mom, you're making a mess.
Oh, and I thought Taiwan was messy. No, I'm messy.
Yes, please.
No, I'm messy.
You
Look,
trying to
I
make
dropped
me
two.
look a mess.
I dropped 2 little chocolate doodads.
I was messing with you, Taiwan. I know.
Tawan.
So seriously.
Could someone why so
Here,
serious?
Steal it. Thank you.
So I could stir the chocolate at the bottom of my cup. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Wow, you really want him
Wow,
gone.
man.
He's alright.
Wow, you really want him gone for no reason.
Getting on the pizza.
What pizza?
That's a guaranteed 4 weeks of fire for you. Just 'cause it comes out cold. That's disappointment. That's cold pizza.
Pizza. Got sprinkles on what?
Eat it. It's good for you.
Sprinkles on pizza.
You should have
No!
finished your pizza sooner.
So
But
I love sugar cookies and cheese pizza.
Weird ass.
My arm.
Everyone?
Sprinkle.
then again, cheese is. What?
I'm surprised that mine hasn't really made that much of a mess yet.
Yeah, because you're a mess yourself. No, because mommy being me, she's trying to make me look a mess on her YouTube channel so they can bully me.
Who's they?
Who wants to bully you? All people.
Subscribers.
You see how much my children love me?
Yeah.
Mom, you don't love me. Look at this mess.
But she made it, and it was on camera. They're gonna see who made
It's
it.
all my fault that your
I would
chocolate,
like,
your hot cocoa is overflowing.
I would like some more. Yes, sir. Please. Maybe. No, I didn't call you sir.
I've never got my lollipop back.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, I'm not.
You need a lollipop?
I ain't Superman.
You want some?
Yes.
I ain't
No,
Superman.
no, that's what makes it overflow.
Oh well.
Yeah. It's
Why
gonna
does it make the spring? Why does it make the whipped cream so
See,
heavy?
because like
Because there's a whole bunch of
marbles
tiny
or
things.
something like that.
It's kind of like rain. Don't
Next
knock
time
the
I'm
umbrella.
not
Think about it
kidding
like that, I guess. I don't know.
Just little sugar thingies. That's all.
They're all sugar and they pop in your mouth and
And see,
I don't know.
what's
It just
crazy
seems like
is
the-
like it's weak. What am I trying to say? This warm sentence.
Taiwan, forming sentences is for losers. Do you like the
Cocoa's
low,
supposed to be
low
nice.
brain? Do you like the low brain gang, Taiwan? Just don't think at all.
Where's Akila's lollipop?
It's right next to her.
Oh yeah, you're right. I might need it. Actually need the sugar. I just wanted to be sure. There's such thing as too much sugar in your hot
Girl, don't
drink.
take the diabetes.
Oh, the diabetes.
I'm gonna cry.
I forgot what it was called.
I
That's
caught
all
the
your fault,
diabetes. I caught the diabetes.
You
No.
can't catch diabetes.
Yeah,
No,
y'all guys
you
making
caught the
fun of diabetes.
hepatitis.
What is wrong with
What?
you?
Exactly.
Did you say? Excuse me, I couldn't hear. What did she say? No, I
What
want to
did he
know.
say?
What did you say? Tell me.
I flipped my
You
No, I say
hepatitis.
no, ma'am. You caught the hepatitis.
The hepatitis A, B, or C?
D.
I got D. Which one is
What about
worse?
X?
D. X. That is a severe case, and you're on life support.
Oh my gosh, guys! I passed
What
my
comes
drug
after
test.
Z?
Pull the plug.
What comes after Z?
Why?
Ladies and gentlemen, we gotta pull the plug on this
I
one.
passed
It's
my
too much.
I passed my drug test, but I do have coronavirus.
I passed my COVID test.
I passed my drug test, but I do have coronavirus.
I passed.
Or I did pass my drug test,
Yo, you guys are cracking.
but I do not have coronavirus.
What'd you say?
What about I passed my drug test and I don't have coronavirus?
What if I
Okay,
pass
Judah.
my drug test?
I
I
did pass my
and I
drug
died.
test and I had corona.
What if I shut
What? What is it?
Now the cup ain't even a cup no more. It's just
How does a cup not be a cup?
A chair. If it's still a chair, even if no one's there.
shut up.
Yeah,
You
stop
are.
saying
I
that.
mean, be
You
quiet.
didn't have to say shut up right then and there. You could have kept your.
I didn't even have to try. I didn't even have to try to make you say shut up that time.
I didn't say it.
Stop it.
I just heard you.
No, you
were
didn't.
like,
It
Judah,
was
they
type
talk.
1.
Oh Lord Jesus. All right.
I'm very loud to say it.
You could smack the. Now see.
See, the thing is, we don't
No.
say it every day.
And I say it every day.
Guys, this is a straw.
I said it today only for the whole time.
Yesterday and the day before yesterday.
Yeah, but the day before yesterday. I
Yes,
didn't
you
say
said it.
Look, is this gonna be a point of this entire
You
conversation,
said it,
bro?
bro. Night, bro.
Bro, stop trying to
I
fuck
wasn't
this
talking to
music.
you.
Oh, never mind. Be quiet. Be quiet.
Never mind. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet.